Welcome to iCode. In this video, we are going to see how to create database and table, and also basic introduction about data type used in SQL Server. First, we will see what is data type. So, data type is an attribute that specifies the type of data that this object can store. It can be an integer, character string, date and time, and so on. Let's see some example of data type. So there are numeric data type, datetime data type, character string data type, and Unicode character data type. I will show you how to use data type during creating a table. Let's see how to create database. Creating a database is a simple work. First, we have to open our SQL Server Management Studio. To create a database, first we have to connect our local DB. To connect local DB, just press on connect option and select database engine. In server name, you have to mention your local database and click on connect. Now our local DB is connected. In this, you will see a database option. Open that database option. In database, you will see the different database that you have created. Let's create a new database. To create new database, just right click on database option and select new database. You will see new window. In that window, you have to write your database name that you want in database name section. I am just writing school database. Just click on OK. So here you will see the database is created. Open that DB, and in that database you will see different options that related to that database, like database diagram, table view, external resources, synonymous. So that option you will understand later. Let's see how to create table. To create a table, we have syntax in SQL Server, and the syntax is create table, after that table name, open rounded bracket, the column name and their data type, second column name, their data type. Like this, we have to mention all column name and their data type. After that, we have to close that rounded bracket. This is the standard syntax for SQL Server to create a table. So here I am creating a table, a student info. So for that I have write create table with table name, open bracket, and the first column is ID having data type int. Second column is name having data type varchar20. It means you will insert only name which having length 20. So if you try to insert a name which having length more than 20, then it will throw exception or error. The third column is date of birth having data type date time. Third column is sex having data type char1. So here we are going to insert only M or F, M for male and F for female. So that's why I have mentioned data type is char1. So last column is city, which having again data type varchar15. At the end I have closed the rounded bracket. Let's see the practical example. To create table, just right click on the database where you want to create table and select new query option. Here we have to write create table and table main name tbl student info, open rounded bracket. First column is id with data type int, second column is name with data type varchar 20, third column is date of birth having data type date time, third column is sex having data type char1, and last column is cd having data type where varchar 50, close the bracket. To execute that query, we have to click on execute option, or you can also click F5 button from keyboard. I am just clicking execute option. So here you will get command complete successfully, means your query executes successfully and your table is created. To see created table, just open table section from database. Here you will see the created table name. Just click on plus icon. Okay, so this is all option related to that table. So in column section you will see the table name and their column data type like int id, name, varchar, date type, date of birth, sex, city. After that, the to open table from query, we have to write a SQL query, select star from table name and just select the query that you want to execute and click on execute. Here you will see the all option, all column name from the table. So we don't have any data in table, so that's why the table is showing blank. Thank you guys and stay tuned.